Well, Jessica, it's July 1st. Can you believe it?
No, I can't believe it.
I know.
We're over halfway through the year.
I know. Well, 4 days in the 4th of July. I know you have a really good firework forecast for us.
Yep, absolutely. And we've already experienced the heat of summer the last couple weeks, but it's kind of behind us for the time being. No more heat advisories on the board. It's still going to be hot.
But not as hot, like valley hot.
Right, not like excessive heat warning hot.
Like
so you gotta look at the positives. You gotta count your blessings and know that we don't have a heat advisory tomorrow, but it is still gonna be super hot out there. Right now in Edinburgh, 85 degrees. That's now 10:20 p.m. No weather to hinder any travels, looking at pretty clear skies, and tomorrow is going to be a great day to be out on the beach for your Sunday. Gonna have to dodge those crowds. I mean, it is that holiday weekend. I saw a lot of people out on the beach earlier. I'm sure we're gonna have a similar story tomorrow. Note that we do have that moderate rip current risk. So if you are gonna try to walk into the waves, make sure that there's a lifeguard nearby, swim with a friend, make sure you're keeping an eye on everyone in your party, because it's not gonna be the safest conditions to do that. Other than that, just bring the sunscreen, bring the food, bring extra water. It's gonna be a great day to be out there. Elsewhere in Cameron County, temperatures in the upper 90s, looking around 98 for the valley average high. Further in Willacy County, could see around that triple-digit mark, and if you're in Hidalgo, you probably will be at least at the 100-digit mark. McAllen saw 101 today, so we could be right around there again tomorrow. Really, we're looking at a similar situation tomorrow as what we saw today. Upper Valley in the triple digits, Lower Valley closer to around that 99, 98 degree mark. But of course, the feels like temperature, that's the real thing we all care about, because when you walk out the door tomorrow afternoon, it's going to feel like 108, 109, 110 degrees. Not enough to trigger the heat advisory, but this is still really hot nonetheless, so just know it's still going to be hot when you walk outside. We are tracking a little bit of a change coming up later this week, though. Unfortunately, kicking off on Tuesday, the chance for showers, thanks to an upper-level low that's going to kind of move off into Mexico. But for us, it means we're going to have increased cloud cover, increased moisture, the chance for the showers and possibly some storms. Although I'm really thinking that Wednesday, Thursday is going to be a better time frame to see some of this rain. So that means for your 4th of July, we could have the chance for some isolated showers, but all in all, the bigger concern is going to be towards the end of the week with more frequent showers, scattered showers, and storms. Now, we're not going to see increased precipitation than what we normally see this time of year. For a 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, we're right near normal. So it's not like we're going to get a ton of extra rain, which honestly, we could use some extra rain. Our 30 days of rain is below what we normally see. So we want the gray area. That's what we normally see. Only one region of the valley, Starr County, is really seeing anything above what we normally see this time of year. So when you see all these yellow and orange colors across the board, it means that by the time our drought monitor comes out on Thursday, there's a good chance we're not going to be in as good standing as we are today. So the 4th of July, the outlook you need to know, we have a chance for isolated showers, but it's really slim, around a 10 to 20% chance. Temperature is going to be in the upper 90s. It's going to be a little bit breezy, but I think most of us are going to stay dry. Great grilling forecast, great pool forecast, great beach forecast, good fireworks in the tropics. No tropical cyclones expected for the next 7 days, so it's going to stay calm out there. So all we have to worry about is the continuation of our heat here in the valley, and of course the 4th of July forecast, which is going to be the rain that we all do not want to see. Like I said, I really think that most of us are going to have a wonderful forecast. It just can't rule out the chance for a tiny little shower or two. And remember, even with that rain, you see our temperatures are still in the mid to upper 90s. So the feels like temperatures, even with our chance for rain, still going to be pretty hot, just not as hot as it could be.
I think a lot of people are going to be pleased with that.
Yes,
to have their hot dogs and lemonade without 100 degrees, that sounds pretty good.
Exactly, yeah. I mean, it's going to be like 97, but like
that's good. That's valley good.
Yeah, what more could you ask for?
Right,
for
exactly. And speaking of valley good, I know our Blake Holland is tracking some good stuff in the valley over in sports.